SocialV. It's a BuddyPress solution designed to create amazing social networking sites just like LinkedIn and Facebook. In this series, we are seeing some of the errors and queries that our users are facing and some customizing and changes that you can do in SocialV. So one of the errors that we are discussing is redirect logging in. So let's see how to solve this problem. New users coming to a site, they have to register, right? So when they click on sign up, they will get directed back to the login page. This is one of the errors that can frustrate your new users. Now I will go into the WordPress, and in the theme option and in the header layout we have the login section, and in that you have to make sure that for the select page for register, and you can see that, and we will just click on save. Then again we will go into the restricted mode in the theme option, and in this select page for non-restricted we will select this register page that we have added there. So we'll just select that here and we will click on save again, and after saving it we will go back to our login page, and when you click on sign up you can see that the register page will open up. So this is how you will deal with this issue. It is so easy to do. You can just check out our demo today and grab SocialV now.